Me no English. Me no English. Español, no English. No English. I don't see any golfers, guys. Yes. Looks like I have this little boat to myself. Me no English. Me no English. Got truck behind me. Truck behind me. Alert. Truck behind me. Oh Lord, I don't see it. Oh my. I don't see any golfers. This is good. Look, there's a pond here. I'm pretty sure there's a pond over that hill right there. There's another separated pond over there. Holy bro. This is about to hit hard. And I don't see any golfers anywhere. Wait. I might have spoke too soon, guys. Please don't tell me that's a golfer. Oh wow, it's pointed at my face. Wow. I think I might see one. But you know what? You know what? It's fine, boys. Whatever. I'm more respected, okay? I'm more respected. I'm walking around good, okay? I respect golfers. Walking around the green. I'm not gonna go in the sand either. I'm gonna be a fully good boy. Holy shit, that pond is juicy. Look at that. Over there. There's that little cove. I'm pulling at the frog over there. Alright, I'll catch y'all when I get a fish on.